Welcome, dear children, to the Rajkumar College, Rajkot, Form 3 Computer Science. As we have started with our chapter 6, we have completed it last week. We have done with an exercise of page number 57, question A, B, C, D, E. Right? Today we are left with question F, and even I would like to tell you about activity section, that is lab session. Hope you all are you all are ready with your textbook, page number 58. Okay, the first question, question F, answer the following. First question: what do you know about alphabet keys? What are they used for? Right, as we all know, alphabet keys are used to type words, sentences, or paragraph. Right, there are 26 alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard, not arranged in alphabetical order. Right? It is not from A, B, C, D. It's not like that. Right? It is starting with Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So, alphabet keys are used to type words, sentences, or paragraphs. And there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard, not arranged in a sequence, not in an alphabetical order. Right? Then comes question 2. What is the use of number keys? Where are they present? The number keys are used for typing numbers. They are present above the top row of the alphabet keys and the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. Now, there are two ways of typing the numbers. First is, you know that number keys are from 0 to 9, right? So they are just present above the alphabet keys. And on the right side also, you are having a numeric keypad from where you can type the numbers. Right? So these are the two ways from where you can type the numbers. So actually the number keys are present above the top row of the alphabet keys and the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. Now, what is the condition if you want to type numbers from the numeric keypad? You have to keep on your num lock. Okay, from the keyboard you have to keep on your num lock, right? So, this is the use of a number key. You have got a little less space. Okay, you might feel like little bit answer is long. Try to fit in your given lines, right? Okay, what do you know about function keys? Okay, now as we all know, function keys are used to perform specific task. If you remember, I had explained the specific task. Specific task means particular work only it can do. It does a particular work which is been asked to do for that function key. They are present on the topmost row of the keyboard. The first row on the keyboard is function keys. Okay, we are talking about the standard keyboard which we are using in our day-to-day life in the desktop computers. That keyboard, the first row is function keys. Okay, and that is the topmost row in the keyboard, right? How many function keys are there? There are 12 function keys. Each function key have different functions for different programs. Okay, so function keys, total 12 function keys, F1 to F12. They perform a specific task and they are present or they are the topmost row on the keyboard, and the different function keys have different it works differently in different program. Okay, what is the function of a caps lock key? As we all know, caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. Question 4, page number 59. What is the function of a caps lock key? The function of a caps lock key is to type letters in capital. Okay. Then we have question number 5. What is the use of a shift key? How many shift keys are there? There are 2 shift keys on a keyboard. Shift key is used to type the symbol present on the upper part of the keys and to type alphabets in capital letter. Right? I want to write my name in capital and other letters after my a first letter, other all letters I want to write in small letters, right? So what I'll do, I will write shift S. Okay, so this is capital UCHI, it is coming in small, space M capital, so shift M, AHETA. Okay, so this way if I want to write only one letter capital, I will use a shift key, and there are two shift keys on the keyboard, and specially it is used to print the upper part of any key, right? So this is your question answers. um, Children, I'm going to put this brain developer exercise from question A to F, all this question in the worksheet chapter. Okay, I'm going to put up this today along with the video, so you can even view your worksheet. True or false, match the following, answer in one word, tick the correct answer, everything I'm going to put up in the worksheet. Okay, now today I'm going to show you activity section. Okay, now the first one, actually it is a practical part. Okay, so if you can try it at home, you can do this at home. You can open a word pad. Okay, you can open a word pad, as you all know how to open the word pad. So we will use a word pad to do this lab session. I'm on page number 59, activity section, lab session. Okay, now what is in this, what we are supposed to do, let me read out the instruction. Question A, use of caps lock key, shift key and spacebar key. Type the following text and follow the instruction given below. Right, now first I would like to read the instruction which is given below. I'm not reading the good manners, I'm reading the instruction. Now what is the instruction? To type the first letter of each sentence in capital, hold down the shift key and press the letter, then release the shift key and then type rest of the letters. Right, so now see, always wish your elders. So here you, if you notice that first letter is all capital, right? So what the instruction is given, that you want to do only one letter, we have just seen that use the shift key and do that, right? So the first instruction is given that use shift key and type the initial letter of each sentence, so it will come in capital. Okay, second, press the space bar key to leave the space between the words. Okay, always space, wish space, your space, elders, right? So this way you have to leave the space. Third instruction, press the enter key to move the cursor down to the next line. I want to type the next line, so be kind and helpful to others, right? So I want to go to that line, so I have to press enter key. Then type the last sentence in the capital using a caps lock key. As now see, the last whole line is in capital letters, right? So you can use the shift key, but you have to keep pressing shift key and you have to type one letter. So that will be more time consuming and little bit tedious. So what I'll do, I will keep on the caps lock and I will do that. Okay, so let me start. The first thing is good manners. Now see, good manners, it is written in capital, right? So I'll use a new page to show you. I am not using a word pad, I am using MS Word, and that I will teach you how to open MS Word in the next chapter. We are going to do that. Just now you can open your word pad and you can do this practical. Okay, now see, good manner, it is written in capital, right? So keep your own caps lock. I'm writing a good manners, right? Okay, now I have pressed enter, I have come to the next line. Now see, first is, if you want to write always, so first shift A LWAYS, always space, wish space, your space, elders. Now full stop, right? I want to go to the next line. So what instruction is given? The third instruction, press the enter key to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, I am pressing the enter key. Again I want to write the first letter capital, so shift B kind space. Second instruction is Press the spacebar key to leave the space between the words, right? Be kind, A-N-D, and helpful. Sorry, see, I've written a wrong spelling. I forgot F-U-L. Helpful to others. Now I'm going to show you one more thing, but as I will make a mistake, I'll show you. So this is, I have come to the next line. Always follow the advice. See, here you can see I have written a wrong spelling, right? So why wrong spelling I have come to know? Because a red line has come. If you use this MS word, in WordPad it will not show. Advice of your parents, full stop. Next line. I'm making mistake. Okay, first letter, be honest with everyone. Everyone, one word. Okay, full stop. Now last line I have to type capital, so keep caps lock on. Never hurt anyone. So this way, with the help of the instruction, I have typed the whole paragraph. Okay. Same way, the next paragraph is given. God cannot reach everywhere. Here, which are the keys you are supposed to use? Is backspace, delete, shift, and arrow. Now, the first line itself, it is showing a wrong spelling of reach. But it is intentionally given in the book because in the next page instruction is given how to recorrect it. Okay, so let me start first. I'll type the whole paragraph first and show you how to do that. Just now I'm doing page number 59, question B. Okay, first I'm going to type the whole sentence. The 5 sentences are given. I'm writing God cannot. Now see, I am going to write wrong spelling only. Reach everywhere. Okay. Now, so he created mothers on the earth. Mother is the best gift from God. Okay, the most beautiful, here again because I did not leave the space, beautiful person on the earth. Our best critic, yet our strongest supporter. Okay, right? Now I'm turning my page. You can see on page number 59, page number 60, instruction is given. To correct the spelling of reach, bring the cursor at E and delete the extra E. Using backspace key, type A in place of it. Okay, so first with the help of an arrow key I can go there, right? So I'll reach with the help of arrow key. Okay, I have brought my cursor here. The correct spelling is R-E-A-C-H, right? So now I will do backspace. I will type A. So I have corrected my spelling. So first instruction I have done, right? Now bring the cursor down to the word beautiful with the help of a down arrow and move it to the letter L. Press the delete key to delete the extra L. Okay. Now here I have not written double L. Okay, so okay, now with the help of a down arrow, right, then I will use delete key here. As we have seen, the delete key erases the character towards the right side. So when I press delete, so that L is deleted. Okay. Third instruction. Now move the cursor to the letter B of beautiful using the left arrow key. Hold down the shift key and press the right arrow key to highlight the complete word. Press the delete key to delete the selected word. Type wonderful in place of beautiful. Okay. Now go with the left arrow. Keep pressing the shift key and right arrow. Now what I have done, I have selected this word. Then what is the instruction? Press the delete key and delete the selected word. So I am pressing a delete key. That word is deleted. Instead of beautiful, what I am supposed to write? Wonderful. Okay, see in the last line it is written, type wonderful in place of beautiful and save the file. Save the file is Control S. My file is already saved. Okay, so if I do Control S, then also nothing it will show me. It will not ask me to name it. Okay, so this is the way I have saved the file. Then the question C on page number 60, it is asking us to use the different symbols and do it. Okay, I would really like to show you this equation. Shift and this curly bracket, shift number 9, so round bracket will come, 3a. Now this asterisk sign is multiplication sign. We have seen in the calculator of the computer. Shift and number 8. Okay, number key number 8 is multiplication sign with the use of shift. 4a. Then 0. Okay, shift 0. So round bracket will come. Then minus. Then shift number 9 you have to press. Then just write 6. Then this is a division sign in computer. 3. Shift number 8, 2a, shift and number 9. So round bracket will come. Then shift and addition sign, because I want to print the upper part of the keys, right? So to print the upper part of the keys, I have to use the shift key. Then shift, round bracket, 2, and then it is called a caret sign. Okay, it is on number 6. So shift 6, then 3 divided by 2, shift 0, and then again the curly bracket on the keyboard. So this way you can type the whole equation using a shift key. Wherever on whichever key the upper symbol you are supposed to print, you have to use a shift key, right? So what does it mean that the instruction which are given, you have to perform that instruction on the given paragraph. Okay, till now whatever we have done, we have read the instruction and we have followed it, right? So in this practical section, whenever you go outside or somewhere, if you have a practical test, right, then what will happen, they would give you a task to do. For example, if they ask you to come on type this paragraph, but the paragraph should be the way they have given the instruction you are supposed to type, then only you get the marks. So instructions are very important in practical part. You have to read, you have to understand the instruction, and then you have to follow it. Okay, hope you have enjoyed it. You will enjoy more if you are able to do this practical in your computer. If you have, you can try it at home. Fine. So thank you, take care. Next time we are going to start with next chapter, that is chapter 7, Microsoft Word 2007. Okay, that is also very interesting. The screen that you are watching just now is actually of MS Word. So this screen you will enjoy more, right, compared to WordPad. but the practical part you have to do just now in the WordPad. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. I'm going to put up the same worksheet of not a worksheet, the answer key of your chapter 6, okay, brain developer, from question A to F in the ERP, okay, along with the video. So you can use both of them, whichever is convenient for you, you can use and complete your textbook page number 58-59. Thank you children, have a nice day, take care.